Welcome to Global Training Technology Well Control Simulator. I'm going to show you the functionalities of this software. First of all, you need a license to log in to the app. Let's enter this here. I'm going to show you the self-directed simulation where a student or a trainer can manage the whole functionality of the simulator, just to show you what can be done in this software. Here is the main menu where you can pick between two languages. We are in Spanish and in English. Here are some preset scenarios that you can choose for training, and in this area that is in development mode, you can custom one scenario for the geometry of your well as you wish. Let's start. Here you have to enter your name or the name that you want to get in the simulation graphics, that is the one that is presented to the EADC. Here's my name and accept. Okay, now we are already in the simulator. I'm going to tap the instructor tab and go to speed and put that in 0. 0 means that it is in pause. Okay, these tabs are one click to open and one click to close. We have the choke, the remote choke to control it, the BOP, manifolds and tanks to align pumps and align the choke, auto choke. We have some graphic of the well and number of strokes for each of one of the pumps. And well, we have the instructor tab, where we can launch some events. This one from the list: choke washout, formation fracture, bit plugged, choke plugged, nozzle washout, etc. And there are some exercises that you can done. You can practice here, and there are auto testing in the simulator. That means that you get some qualification after you do it. It's good to get to use with this simulator and train where the buttons are to start the pumps, to manage the well, and to manage manifolds, BOP, and choke. So another functionality is here in the others, that you can turn off this information from the choke screen. Here's the choke with full information of well control pressure, well bottom pressure, formation pressure, and all information. So you can choose to turn that off in the instructor tab. Yes, though you can do it. You can make the control of the well only looking at drill pipe pressure and casing pressure, as you should in the real life well. Here is the speed of aperture and close of the hydraulics regulation. So when you click open and close, this is fully open, 100% is fully open, the green lights are on, and below 24 the choke is closed. So let's continue. To start, I will have to align, for example, the mud pump 1 that comes here and go to standpipe 1. So I click here, here, and here, and the pump 1 and 3 in this case are correctly aligned. I also want to align the choke so I can manage that too. Choke 1 is correctly aligned. So now we have this done. This is the screen of the driller. Yes, you have all the tabs here: tripping, drilling, control, drawworks, top drive setup, and manpaps. The one that we are using in the well control simulator are, if you want tripping, if you want to move the string up or down, drilling, if you want to use the auto drilling for drilling some depth of the well, and we are using the pumps. In the pumps, we only have two here, the map pump 1 and the map pump 2. You have to click on assignment to get it all green and started, and the throttle is to turn on the command of the pump. We can give it some stroke, like clicking here from 1 and down from 1, or if you click here, you can type the correct stroke that you want. Okay, for example, I don't know, 30. Okay, but now the simulator is paused. Remember, I have it paused, so I will set up to 0 again, and I will be unpausing the simulation. Okay, I will be showing all these numbers again, and let's get it running. So here is the Payson, is all the drilling status of the well, that is showing me a pit flow and a percentage of return flow from the well. That means that I'm having pit gain in a percentage of the map pump time level, and here a number in barrels. So I'm having an influx. Yes, I have to close the well. So I will be going to the BOP, turn this central selector, close the kill line, and close the annular. Yes, and this, now I'm going to the choke and closing it. As I said before, below 24, sorry, the choke is closed, it's fully closed. So then we wait for the pressure to stabilize. Yes, there we go. And now we can look into the pump, the level of influx that gets into the well. So the next step, if I want to make a driller method, is just to start pumps and circulate the influx out. Or if I want to do the weight and weight, I have to enter a new PPG. Yes, a new density of the killing well. So I click here where it says PPG in, and then I go to enter the new PPG, like 10.2 for this well that I already calculate. Yes, and now I have to begin to get velocity, get strokes into the pump, and opening the choke. So I get into the drilling control. Yes, here is another tab that is the kill sheet, where you can enter the information and it calculates the max allowed weight that you can use the well for the killing well. Also, there is some information about the geometry of the well, the length in feet and capacity of the drill pad, the heavy weight, and the drill colors. And here you can enter the kick data that I have here. Yes, while I close the well, and you enter that in here, so you can get the initial circulating pressure and the final circulating pressure for managing this killing method. Okay, so once you have it done, you can do the drilling control, and after you do that, you will have a graphic that this is in real time. This is happening what I have done so far, that is not so much, and when I finish, it will be printing the final graphic for me. So I go on. I will be turning the pumps and opening the web. So I will do it in 2 steps, and there we go. So now I'm filling this with some heavy mud, with the new PPG, and you can see the colors in here in the graphic. So this will be displacing toward the surface. So here we can turn the speed up as we wish, so we can do it more quickly. So this is how the simulator works, and all the buttons that you need just to test this. For further information, you contact us, no problem. We are willing to help you. Here's the graphic that it shows when I end the simulation, that show me all the instances what I was doing during the simulation. Thank you.